Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Claude AI rate limits in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Claude console. Now, when you search for it, you just have to log in here by providing your login credentials associated with your Claude account. Now, when you are inside your dashboard, its interface is going to look something like this. Now, over here on the home page itself, you are going to see the credit balance, meaning that it is going to show you all of the credits that are available in your account. Now, you can also find them here in the left hand section. You will see this credits section. Right next to it, you will see the currency in dollars. And if you want to add funds, you can click on the option of add funds. You can select any of these recommended numbers over here on the top. If you want to add your own amount, you can also select others and then enter your amount. Afterwards, provide your billing address and then click on the option of buy credits. So when you make the purchase, all of your credits will be added over here in the credits section, and you will be able to basically easily manage over here. So that's how you can basically check your Claude AI rate limits. So thank you.